congratulations. 6 years in the making pala to, no?
Yes po.
Ang ganda nung shinare mo, sinabi mo na parang the real battle na your colleague, Seth Fedolin, said na it starts outside and you put it to heart. So now going back, what were the kumbaga, challenges that you faced no parang to feel at home again? Na parang ito talaga yung gusto mong gawin.
Yeah, I mean, 3 years din since yung last taping ko, no? So talagang nawala na yung drive ko, nawala yung passion ko for it. And then when I came back sa first day ng set, I was like, okay, it's game time na ulit. So yeah, it's really a big challenge for me to get back and, you know, to get my drive back. Pero luckily the prod helped me, Direk Gino helped me, Aubrey helped me lalong-lalo na, and the bosses, yung tiwala nilang fuel sa akin doon.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo na mag-ano ka, na balikan lang natin ng konti, no? Sino nagsabi sa'yo na mag-audition ka ng January ulit?
Actually, it was a big help from my manager din, si Patty Yap, na sabi, naghahanap sila ng bagong leading man ngayon. So I was like, okay, sige, try natin, mag-audition ako. Pero actually, signed na with Viva back then. So parang sumugal na lang din talaga ako na galingan ko sa audition para makuha ko yung role na yun.
And parang it was carved out for you kasi kahit na you came in later part in the university series, grabe yung no, nagulat, natawa nga ako, di ba, pinapanood mo yung edits niyo. Grabe yung fandom na we even get requests for you in Lance Bray na i-feature kayo.
Wow.
Talaga, very intense.
Well, so yeah, unang-una hindi naman magiging success yung series without the fans, no? Without the edits. And ang laking tulong rin nung social media edits nila na ginagawa nila for us. Doon namin nakikita lahat ng love and support. And ang sacrifices din nila, most of all, yung pagpupuyat nila para mag-antay ng bagong episode, para mag-edit ng mga reels or mga videos. So I'm really grateful for each and every one of you na sumuporta sa amin.
What's the best part about being partnered with Aubrey?
Nakahanap na rin ako ng katapat ko na gustong-gusto i-prove yung sarili. Kasi parang, nung workshop lagi namin sinasabi na we really want to prove to everyone na kaya namin to. Kasi nung na-reveal din siya as Samantha Vera, medyo maraming bashing din na natanggap, and lalo na ako. So it was a platform for us. It was a chance given to us by the bosses, by the management. So it's up to us if we're just gonna screw it up or we're just gonna pahalagahan namin yun.
And actually, oo nga, no? Ganun nga, before you take on the role, binabash, ang daming phases na ganun. And honestly, yung ibang mga co-actors mo are experiencing that before they take on another project as well. Yeah. But I'm sure you know, may group chat kayo. What do you guys say pag ganun?
Ako naman may tiwala ko sa mga colleagues ko. I believe in them so much and I'm sure they believe in me too. Parang we're just each other's support system lang din, and at the end of the day, it's not about sino hindi naniniwala sa'yo, it's about sino yung naniniwala sa'yo. And for you to just do your craft properly and just don't let it affect you lang din.
Yun ba yung sinabi mo sa kanila?
Maybe.
How's your group chat like? Kasi tinatanong ko yung iba, kamusta ba yung group chat ng Univercada? Kinamusta ko dun sa mas mga batang niyo
ayun, nagkakamusta naman kami from time to time, and minsan nagpaplano kami ng spontaneous trips just to catch up. We don't talk about work that much. We just talk about what happens in our personal lives, and yeah, we're just really there for each other, and I'm really glad na nakahanap ako ng totoong pamilya sa industry ito.
That's nice.
With
so,
them.
Parang long hauler, may 2 books pa in the works, di ba?
Yeah, Golden Scenery of Tomorrow and Our Yesterday's Escape. So I'm really excited for that din because si Wilbert, isa rin siya sa mga pinaka-sumuporta sa amin ni Aubrey nung hindi pa nag-start. And actually, message niya ako na, well, in Bisaya din eh. So sabi niya, Gaw, good luck and alam kong kaya mo yan, galingan mo. And just don't let the hate affect you. So I'm really hoping the best for them and Bea Binena in this upcoming book.
Ano lang, no, refreshing kasi biglang lagi kayong merong advice na don't let the hate. Kasi
yeah, yun talaga yung advice.
Sanay na kayo lahat.
Yeah, sanay na kaming lahat dun. So yeah, support system lang talaga. And buti nga si Wilbert, di siya masyadong masyadong minahal siya nung na-reveal as Ark. And I'm happy for him na ganun. And I'm really hoping the best for book 5. And 6 rin pala siya.
Nakakatuwa. Wait, so what's lined up? Like after this, what do you wanna do? Because if Aubrey's gonna do like singing,
yeah, I'm gonna be part of Minamahal by Andres Mulak and Ashtin, and may micro series din kami ni Aubrey after Viva Arcada. So we're just taking one step at a time, one project at a time lang. So I'm just really happy with working with them, and I'm excited ako na makatrabaho si Ashtin and Andres kasi sila talagang rising stars ngayon sa industry.
Hindi pa kayo nagtitape? Nag-film na sila, di ba?
I think they started pero ako hindi pa ako nagsistart.
Can you reveal sino ka doon?
Sige, character name ko is Eugene. So, I'm just gonna be part of the movie. Basta abangan nyo na lang kung ano yung role ni Eugene doon. So, I'm just really excited.
Yun ay Ash Dress. Eugene.
Yeah.
Sino kaya? Itatag na nila si Direk mamaya.
Basta
Direk.
excited lang ako na makatrabaho sila. Yun lang.
Nung sinabi sa'yo, did you deep dive? Kasi iba rin yung fanbase na Ash Dress, ha?
Well, unang-una excitement yung naramdaman ko kasi it's first time I'm working outside of my comfort zone. Then, sanay lang ako na puro univerkada lang yung kasama ko sa work. So, it's something new. I'm really excited na makatrabaho mga, arguably sila ata yung mga, one of the sikat talaga ngayon na young stars now.
They are.
Yeah.
It's not naman, ayoko na i-spoil eh. Kasi yung patanong na ako na di pong, are you gonna be a love triangle there?
Abangan nyo na lang.
Yan!
Abangan nyo na lang.
Hindi kasi inevitable tanungin eh. Di ba? Inevitable siya tanungin. So,
abangan nyo na lang. It's not heavily about that.
Yun nga,
So,
yun yung
may
maganda.
ibang-
It's story-driven.
Yeah, it's story-driven. It's not heavily relied on a love triangle. Yung minamahal, it's not about a love triangle.
That's good.
Yeah, it's story-driven.
Yeah. Congratulations. Wow.
Thank
That's
you.
major. Like, that's September already.
Yes.
So, kailan ka magti-tape?
Yan ang hindi
Agosto
ko pa
na. Agosto na.
August po ata. Yeah, maybe this August.
So excited for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.